Hey everybody, so I'm sitting here in seat 1A, JetBlue Mint Studio, and I'm today ready to declare this is by far and away the best premium cabin seat in America. Very comfortable, very spacious, lots of creature comfort. I'm going to share a couple of them with you right now. One is like the power outlets, which on the original, Mint, which is still in service on a lot of flights. One of my knocks was it was kind of cramped and my elbows would keep knocking out the power. Well, they listened, and guess what? On the new one, they moved the power all the way over here, so I can't knock it. Even better, there's actually two outlets. That one there, and then one down there. Also, I love they have room for my feet, which I can have my feet up both during the flight as well as takeoff and landing. So you can see here, the screen's huge. And spacious over here. It's a little compartment. It's not just a seat. Also other creature comforts like this little door which opens up to a little mirror, and I have a little compartment here if I want to stow things. I would never do that because knowing me, if I put them in there I'll forget about it after I sleep in my very comfy bed. So what's better than this seat? Well, quite honestly, sitting in this seat and not overpaying for it. I can tell you that I'm actually flying in this seat right now paying less than full fare coach, way less than full fare coach on the more mainstream airlines. Now, one thing about the Mint Studio, this particular seat you should know, it's an extra $199, but I mean there are airlines that charge $85 for a coach seat, with premium glorified coach economy or whatever they want to call it. So I'm all about flying comfortably for less. I love flying comfortably. I won't overpay for it. I have a feeling you're the same way. If so, do yourself a favor and initiate a Passport Premier subscription. And all they do is help flyers from around the world confirm the premium cabin fare before they purchase and fly comfortably for less. So if that's what you're into, let's make it happen. And I look forward to seeing you here up with me up front. All the best.